Need a very short form. Let's see something. And if we'll see this was a nice page, but it is related to fitness. As we don't want to make things complex, it will be a very basic page. So there are lots of templates already available over here. I need something on the top with the form. Let's remove the filter, make it most popular, and see. This page is nice. So we'll see something. There's lots of big page over there. We need a very short page. I'm looking for something where we have. So let's build it from scratch, as these are very professional. Let's build it from scratch. Or let's try funnels AI in the same. How exactly it come up with AI? Let's try to build something with AI. Let's click continue. Business niche marketing agency. Name of the funnel, lead magnet. Generate leads, consumers. So what we are giving, ebook guide. Custom level up GPT. Level up custom GPT. Make that landing page short. I need one placeholder for an image and the other one will be a form. Now I have instructed AI to do the stuff, and let's see how exactly it come up with this. So let's see how we come up with this. We'll need to wait. It is starting generating, and let's see how exactly it goes. Okay, we need to wait till then. I can check if we are getting some comments. Okay, so I'll make it small. Level up custom GPT. Get the insights from Go High Level Level Up event. Key takeaways from the speakers. So over here I can add some real images as well. Like this, we need to make something short. so that we can use it as an image. Now we are trying to build something, a small landing page, because in the lead magnet you don't need a long funnel, as majorly things will be done by your lead magnet, whatever you are offering. Search media. By scaling your GHL. This I don't need. Success stories I don't need. Here you can add some promotional material, but here my full focus is so here I need to embed that form. So that was level up GPT form. Scroll to element. Lead capture. So I want to scroll it to this, and this I will be removing. We can have the same color of this. Form to make it more looking good. Or I think I like this color. We can change it from the section. So let me pick up this color. So that was the color code. So again I will go to back to forms. Here I am not running ads on it, so I will be not adding pixels, but here we need to go again to the forms, builders, level up GPT. Have something like this and save it. Now our page has been completed. So here I am showing the real proof instead of using AI image, so that people can know. And connect domain. So I'm using a domain, the SaaS spot. And here I am publishing it at unlock your potential custom level up GPT content. It's auto-filled. Update SEO and meta tag, so that it come in the search spot also. Moving back, now I need to check the slugs and other stuff. Level up GPT. Here I can, and if I want to add tracking codes, I can add a tracking code over here. If I want to add a chat widget, as I don't want to distract my audience with chat and other stuff, I just want to get, my whole focus is to let the lead come into the CRM. here I have changed the slug, and let's see. So now we have completed our page, the SaaS spot level up. So that is the best for, like, if you are into any niche like AI, you are into music, you are into like coaching, you need to have your lead magnet page in place. So till it is getting completed, let's create an automation. Now my whole automation is, I have different account from where I want to push everything, as this account is quite new. But what I will be ideally doing is start from scratch. Lead magnet form from one account to funnels AI. So the trigger will be of the automation will be form submitted, and the form is level up GPT. Level up GPT. I always write over here so that my team, me, I can always see. It's a best practice for doing the funnel. They need not to check which form they have submitted. Now I want to pass it to another account, and here I need to add a URL. So I will be going to my funnels AI account. I will first create a folder, the SaaS spot. I want it into a different GoHighLevel account. So how I will get it? I will create a workflow from scratch. From this account, I need to push it from this account. I need to push into this. So here it will be webhook, inbound webhook. Here I need to copy this. This is kind of API transformation where like we need to connect it to different accounts. That is how the API works. I will copy this, save action, save it. Now to make it working, first I need to create a form. I will be putting node test tools@watchpay.in. I am putting a phone number. I agree with term and send me the GPT. So now I am testing the funnel live. Invalid URL. So the first mistake with is redirection is not working properly. So first we need to check this. But over here, fetch samples. So it captures all my detail over here, not test tool this. And now we can create a contact with their first name will be, I need to connect it with the webhook. First name will be this, whatever we are capturing. Second is email, inbound webhook team trigger email, and then last thing will be phone. I need to create one tag also so that I can know from where the lead come, the SaaS spot. So the lead comes from the SaaS spot. I'm saving it. Now we'll figure out what was the wrong with this form. On the submission, on the settings, I need to check that this URL was, why not it was working. Over here it is working, strange. So we need to review it to see. Again we'll do a test. And let's see if not test is in my account or not. Over here I need to check in the contact section that it comes into a different account or not. This URL, let's try in a different browser on incognito. Let me try it quickly over here. So it's working over here also. Okay, it's already having my login. I need to try in incognito mode, and let's try it again. What was okay? So it's working over here also. So there is something bit wrong with that glitch, and let's try it again and resolve it. Redirect to URL is properly integrated. So not test is already there, so that means any tag is already there. This automation is quite working. I can add more points over there, but now I need to check why this redirect is not working. Chat GPT, let's preview it in incognito mode. Let's go to sites and let's try in incognito mode. AI generated funnel. Level up GPT giveaway. Lead magnet. Lead. So that was the page. Let me copy it and try to check in incognito mode. So sometimes these are the glitches we need to check. Everything is working fine, URL are good, but still it's not working. So let's try the final test. I think like rest all automations are in the place. Why, I don't know why it is taking that much time to load a page. Might be some glitch at my internet connection. Let's try Chrome incognito mode. Pretty print invalid URL. So something is wrong with our URL. So let's try and figure it out. We'll be taking the URL now from GPT. And let's go to the Go High Level account. let's go to forms, settings, and let's check the redirection. Now it will work perfectly fine. So how you can fix my churn, rest everything will work perfectly fine. What I need to do now is, in the automation as well, I need to create a tag in this account also, so that we get to know that lead comes from this level up GPT lead magnet. So from this, even the CRM will be sorted it out how exactly we can do it. So that's the whole process, from where you can create a lead magnet, a landing page, and then push it to different. So this different account was a secondary part which I was trying to do, like with a different agency level sub account, but before the steps are same to create a lead magnet. So this is the lead magnet page where we are showing them, and now I am summarizing it. Level up custom GPT, get your custom GPT, and this is the real screenshot of a GPT so that people can resemble. How I can scale my GHL fast? Here is Go SaaS scaling mode activated. Fill out the form, personal consultancy, how GPT can transform again. Okay, so this we need to remove, and again we'll go to this back, we'll go to that sites, funnels. This was we are not using. I need to check mistakenly if I have, no. So that's where if you are deleting something, you need to take care. Sometimes you just delete the one which is the final version of it. So this is where we need to remove one line, and rest this funnel is live. You can go on the saaspot.com/levelup, you can check it out. And if you want a GPT, you can always go over here, the SaaS spot, and get the GPT version as well if you are scaling your SaaS or you want to build something on GHL. That's it. Thank you so much for joining. So it's the saaspot.com/levelup. Thank you so much, and we'll come up with the next video. Do follow me for more AI updates and automation.